Hi, what's up everyone? I just want to welcome you to my channel, and if you're new in here in my channel, welcome. And I hope if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I appreciate that. And also please hit that like button and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future vlogs. And I also appreciate if if you could drop some question or your thoughts, and you can also answer, you can also ask me any kind of question, and I'll promise I'll try to answer it the best way possible. And rest assured that each and every one of the person that will ask me a question will get a personal response from me. I don't do copy paste. I really put a lot of thought into my responses. So yeah, feel free, alright? Don't hesitate. If you have any suggestion as well, I welcome them, because I want to know what do you want to see. And it would be fun to try any other ideas from all of you guys. Let's interact, okay? And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and do share. I really appreciate it, and enjoy all the videos here in my channel. And again, welcome and have fun. Have a good one, and God bless. Thank you. Look, oh, ang daming $1. Oh, di ba? $1 yan. Cool. Apat na aso naglalaro dito kanina. Ayan, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Tuwang-tuwa sila sa tubig. Oh, tinan mo, isa pa gulong-gulong pa siya. Oh, ayan sila. Oh, apat sila, mga friends. Tapos pupunta sila sa tubig mamaya. Ang cute. Ayan. Titignan natin sila. Gorgeous. Ayun, no, may nagsisurfing. Galing, gumaganon-ganon talaga siya. Nasaan na yung hindi ko na naman nakita yung nagsisurfing. Ayun, oh, yung nagsisurfing na yun. Kanina gumaganon-ganon sa wave. Ayun, oh, meron. Ayun, oh, ayan, oh. Oh, diba? Hindi ko nakuha yung yung nag-ride ng wave, yung ayun, no, yung nagsa-surfboarding. Diba? Ayun. Nice. Tapos may mga ibon doon. Ganda ng alon. Ganda talaga nun, oh. Dalawa pala. May isa doon na windmill, and then may windmill doon. Akala ko isa lang yan. Dalawa pala. Oh, okay. Ayun. Ooh, my goodness. Sobrang lamig. Parang parang galing sa loob ng freezer. Lamig, OMG. Grabe. I love it. Woo! sakit. Ang sariwa ng hangin, ang presko. Perfect dito. Ay, may may nagsisurfing. Ayun. Tapos may naliligo doon isa. Ayun yung ulo, oh. Pero ang tindi niya, ha, para siya naligo sa loob ng freezer. Ganun kadaming daming tao sa banda roon. Mahaba tong beach na to. Pag nilakad mo, nako po, siguro ilang 2 hours at least. Tinanggal ko yung shoes ko, nilagay ko dito yung shoes ko, tapos ayan, oh, yan yung baong kong tubig, yung water flask ko. Tapos nakigamit ako ng banyo doon sa kabilang side, may malaking sink dyan. Mamaya babalik ako doon, bibili ako ng pagkain. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch eh. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Take care now, and God bless to us all.